1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hey, yo, French, Happy New Year, killer. It's the first stage me and you performing on for 2013.
Happy New York here.
Congratulations to French. It's so fucking crazy. I'm looking at the screen. I see your album come out May 21st. One day after my motherfucking birthday, you dropping your album. Hey, yo, you dropping your album in a powerful week. Malcolm X is May 19th. Busta Rhymes is May 20th.
Biggest
B.I.G. is your birthday, nigga. Your album release is B.I.G. birthday, nigga. I get it, Jula. Hey, let me keep it 1 trillion with you. There ain't been a nigga from New York that ever dropped the album on B.I.G.'s birthday. Hold on. I think that response is a little blasphemous. Fuck wrong with you niggas, man? We in New York, and I just said there ain't been a New York nigga that ever released an album on B.I.G.'s birthday. Thank you very much. Hank Manners, motherfuckers. Fuck going on? Hey, yo, Chicks Drugs, I salute you, my nigga. You've been working hard with French. We watching you. And I want all of y'all to watch Chicks Drugs too. Half Pierre.